It's Mr. MacGyver YouTube. We're July 26th, 2014. I want to talk to you a little bit about the occurrence of strange sounds that is becoming more and more prevalent around the world. I'm going to go through a couple of little video clips. Uh, One is general sounds from all over the planet of people reporting personal recordings of the increase of sounds. People have called them bells, trumpets. Um, you'll see for yourself. But also, another clip will be from the World Freedom Tower, the new one in New York. It's my belief of that one personally because of the monument that's next door, the inverse fountains, the memorial. Uh, Inverse fountains are actually perverse in nature because water doesn't flow down, it flows up and out. And these things are they're like open pits. If this is the way I look at them, they look like a pit. Both of them just open pits. And I think personally that they have something to do with that sound that has been recorded at the Freedom Tower. But here's the first clip.
Since 2009, there have been a number of cases of strange sounds in the skies reported all over the globe.
Such sounds have been reported in Kentucky and Indiana. In fact, the sounds have been reported right here in Louisville. Wave 3 meteorologist Brian Good has been looking into this. He joins us now with what he was able to find out about these sounds.
Oh, so mysterious, aren't they? Well, Shannon and Scott, these sounds are certainly eerie and have taken place during the day and at night. And in most cases, they last about 1 hour for each episode. I invite you to listen carefully to the sounds you are about to hear. The sounds certainly get your attention, and they're making headlines all over the world.
Tonight, investigators are trying to solve a bizarre mystery.
Strange noises heard around the world the last few weeks.
Hoje, Marcelo Espanha, boa noite para você. Conta melhor essa história pra gente.
A loud, strange noise early this morning woke up families in St. Paul.
Some people describe them as trumpets. Others called it a long hum or even booms, like this recording in Tallahassee, Florida, back in 2011.
Don't go out there. Do you see anything?
The sound lasted nearly an hour.
I know it's coming from there somewhere.
The mysterious sounds were also captured on national TV during a Tampa Bay Rays baseball game.
And the bunt is foul. The count is 1-1. What could that possibly be? Somebody shut the door. It sounds supernatural.
So what is everyone hearing? There have been many theories: earthquakes, electromagnetic activity, solar activity, secret government projects, and of course, UFOs and the supernatural, or maybe just an elaborate hoax. And it's not hard to think about this being a hoax. It's easy to mix audio with video and put it on YouTube. But what's raising eyebrows is the number of public reports to emergency officials. And those personal accounts, they show conviction, including Louisville resident Jeff Van Kuren, who recorded the sounds taking place right here in town.
I was in bed at the time. I went outside to see if I could figure out where it was coming from, what it was, and it just seemed to be coming from everywhere.
Jeff and his wife were lying in bed, watching TV in their PRP home, when the sounds got so loud, they drowned out their program. The couple, so startled, Jeff grabbed his cell phone and shot this video.
It's very hard to describe. It's a kind of a wispy, kind of a low roar. It's really strange when you experience it in person and you see or hear these noises, and you don't see a plane, you don't see cars driving by. It's a peaceful night.
All right. Well, we do not have a definite answer yet as far as what exactly is happening with all these reported cases, but it is clear that something is taking place in skies above. It might just be a matter of time, though, before someone captures the moment that could finally explain it all, guys.
I have
And
goosebumps now.
it's been a little eerie, and we've had several videos actually in Louisville. Jeff was the one that agreed to come talk to us, but it's something that several scientists and experts I've spoken with are familiar with. They are so investigating.
UFO with the space age engine kind of humming.
That's right, Casey. People have been yapping about a strange chorus of wailing sounds coming from the new One World Trade Center building. Like it's turned into one of those big, fat wooden train whistles. Let your imagination or pragmatism run wild, you have to admit it's a pretty eerie sound. I think it's pretty obvious that the sound coming from the building is wind and architecture getting it on. But on the article, someone posted one of those videos of those weird sounds that have been going on. Exactly. What is that? Just in case you hadn't heard about it, over the past couple of years, people from all over the world have been hearing these strange War of the Worlds apocalyptic trumpet sounds. Now, there probably is an explanation. They probably are just a scientific anomaly. Or it is like the movie Contact, and it is aliens trying to get our attention so we can build one of these things so we can all go like this. Again, the sounds at the World Trade Center building, wind, architecture. But these? Anyone figure it out yet? Can anyone tell me what these sounds are besides awesome? As always, thanks for watching our videos. Like, share, subscribe, and check out our channel where we upload new videos every weekday.
Yeah, so I mean, there are scriptures that talk about the trumps of God. Are they those? I don't know, but you have to admit, the frequency of the things that are happening, of supernatural occurrences around the world, not just of sounds, but of you know, the portal. I think they're portals, but these sinkholes opening up all over the ground, and you know, people seeing just, you know, just all kinds of different things. The weather that we're seeing. I got another video I'll be doing about the occurrence of multiple tornadoes at the same location. Is just something that doesn't happen very often, but hey, just something that really interests me. I wanted to share it with you guys. All right, till next time, thanks. God bless.